There are certain money habits which makes a difference between millionaires and common people. The millionaires are very strict with those habits, and just because of those habits they are successful. In this particular video we will be telling you 7 money habits of the millionaires, and the interesting part is that you can also get rich by following them. Let's start with the first habits. 1. They put their attention on maximizing their financial gain. Millionaires, who have made it on their own, take great initiative to increase their income. Many of them are self-employed, while others work as employees for other people. They all, however, strive relentlessly to obtain more money, which is what unites them all. They happily put forth a lot of effort, strive to perform at the top of their game, and want to advance their careers. You can only save as much as you make, therefore do this. The amount of money you can save by being thrifty is limited. Eventually, you either run out of expenditures to decrease or your quality of life begins to suffer. Income is important, of course. Making $80,000 a year versus $40,000 allows you to save much more money. To become a billionaire, you don't need a high salary, but you should strive to steadily raise your income. 2. They constantly aim at investing. An individual can only work so much at one time. Millionaires who have achieved success on their own see to it that their money is working for them. By investing their money, they can get passive income as a result of its growth. Their money is still there even when they are not working. The options for investing are numerous. The stock market is perhaps the most successful place to invest. Due to the little risk involved, this offers excellent profits. The stock market's average annual return over the past 50 years has been 10%. Everyone can make investments and it doesn't cost an excessive amount of money. Create an account with one of the best online stockbrokers to get started. After that, you may decide which investments to make. Index funds and exchange-traded funds (ETFs) are straightforward investment options if you want to keep things simple. With just one investment in them, you may obtain a diversified portfolio because they comprise a variety of stocks. For getting regular financial updates, do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 3. They make challenging objectives. The majority of self-made millionaires place a strong emphasis on planning. If you don't have a strategy, you won't become rich. Goal setting is a crucial component of success, and successful people establish tough, ambitious goals. Self-made millionaires develop strategies with specific measures they may take to achieve their goals in addition to their aims. For instance, you have set up a goal of becoming a billionaire by a particular age. After that, consider the measures you must take to achieve that goal. These will probably include things like setting aside a specific amount of money each month for investments and steadily increasing your income. 4. They take responsibility for their mistakes and rectify them. All people are fallible. Millionaires who have had business setbacks or made bad investments are frequently the subject of failures. Being able to swiftly alter their thoughts about a faulty concept is what sets successful individuals apart. This is a helpful habit to develop in order to enhance personal money and life in general. Changing one's thinking might be challenging for many individuals. They hold on to a plan or an idea they have once they have it. In order to go on and avoid wasting time or money, it's critical to realize when something won't work. Again, I would like to remind you to subscribe our channel. It really motivates us a lot. 5. They follow rules and exhibit delayed gratification. Famous millionaires claim that the only distinction they have seen between their acquaintances and other self-made millionaires is that the latter are more disciplined and adept at postponing gratification. They don't splurge on items they don't need, especially while they're young, which enables them to start investing when they're still quite young. It significantly alters things. Investing $116 a month might get you where you want to go if you start at 20 and are interested in retiring with $1 million at 65. However, it will cost $847 per month if you start when you're 40. Money spent for oneself is quite acceptable. In fact, saving a little cash each month for guilt-free purchases is a wonderful idea. By constantly saving and making investments with money, you may strike a balance and avoid going overboard. 6. Wealthy people consume a balanced diet. If you fill your stomach with Twinkies and Cheetos all day, it's difficult to get your money-making brain in high gear. Unfortunately, a study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, Internal Medicine, found that low-income people's diets are deteriorating while high-income people's diets are improving. Undoubtedly, there are many factors contributing to the complexity of this issue. Less well-off consumers may find it more difficult to access healthier foods due to their location and income, but successful individuals are also more concerned with their diet and general health and are more prepared to seek out and spend more money on healthy foods. Stay away from bad diets if you wish to alter your eating habits. Change the way you think about food and start using it as fuel. Consume the right foods in moderation to keep up your energy levels during your workout or workday. A special occasion, like during Christmas, is the only time you should eat unhealthy meals and snacks. 7. They surround themselves with people who share their views. You might be able to choose between wealth and poverty depending on the people you choose to connect with. Rich individuals typically hang around with those who have optimistic outlooks on life. Advantageous connections is the term used for this. Sometimes, those who put themselves into a position to receive assistance rise to the top, not always the best. The middle class is not who wealthy people hang out with. Where you end up depends on who you hang out with. Look for folks that have your identical financial objectives and remain with them. Engage in social interaction with others who are currently leading the life you desire. Keep a careful eye on them and find out how they got to where they are. Even wealthy people socialize with other wealthy people, and it is at these kind of gatherings that brilliant ideas are often developed that end up generating even more riches. Now you know all the money habits of the millionaires. If you learned something new and also found it interesting, then do press the subscribe button and also the like button. We regularly bring amazing contents related to finance. If you have any query, just comment it below. Thanks for watching.